Hey everybody, so in this video I'm going to explain some useful string method that you might be interested in. Let's begin by creating a variable std standard string name. The variable name would be name. We will accept some user input. We will need a prompt. Then just go ahead, write standard cout, enter your name. Okay. A user's name may contain space. We are better off using a getLine function to get the username. Then just go ahead and write standard getLine, then bracket, then write standard colon cin, then variable name is name, right? While you are taking input which contains space, you can use getLine method. While you are using getLine method, and make sure to include string header file. The first useful method is the length method. Type your string name, follow it with dot length, then parenthesis. Okay, just type name dot length. Okay, Control S, hit run. The length method will give you the length of a string. Let's write this within a statement. Okay, just go ahead, type if condition. Okay, here we can just comment this line, and we can go ahead and write if name dot length is greater than 12, right? We will print message such as your name cannot be over 12 character long, right? Then we can go ahead and type, just go ahead, print standard followed by colon cout, then type a message, your name cannot be over 12 character, right? Just put semicolon. This is a if condition. Now add your else part, else standard followed by colon cout, welcome. Okay, then variable name. Let's save the program and hit run. Now just type first a name. Let's say Akhtar. Welcome Akhtar, right? Let's consider we type any big name. Let's type sorry. Let's just go ahead and clean the, then Control S, hit run again. Let's type Rizvi Sir technical classes. Rizvi in a single line. Rizvi Sir technical classes. It must be more than 12, right? Your name cannot be over 12 character, right? And you can also type with the space, like right, Rizvi Sir. It should be below than 12 character. Now it will include that space as a character. Okay, that is the built-in length method of strings. You type a string, follow it with the dot length, that is here, parenthesis. Wherever you invoke this method, in that spot, you will return the length of that string in characters. The empty method will return. Next would be empty method that will return if a string is empty or type your string name. Okay, let's just go ahead and type check empty method. Next method is empty. You can write in the same way like name dot empty. In this way, the method you can write, and as we have done with if and else, the length method, we will also go ahead and follow the same. Okay, I'm just going to do it a little fast. Okay, it's an empty method. If name is empty, you did not enter your name, and else we will get the name. Just Control S, hit run. Let's type something right here. Okay, hello Akhtar. Okay, next time we will just let it go. We are not going to type anything. Just hit run, hit enter, then you'll get you did not enter your name. That's the empty method. But if I do enter my name, it works. Normally, hello, whatever you type, your name is, and that is the empty method of a string. You will check to see if a string is empty or not. A useful case of this is to check to see if somebody entered in some user input. And now next would be clear method. That would be the same. We can go ahead and type name, and method would be name dot clear. Okay, and just go ahead and use that. Just go ahead. Let's just display our name, cout, then hello. Variable name is name, right? Just Control S, hit run. Let's type name, Rizvi Sir. Let's hit enter. There you are. We don't have name because the name.clear method is cleared that name, right? Why don't have our name here? Because the name has been cleared. So that is the clear method. Another method, we can append a string to another string. After my name, I'll use append. You can go ahead and use another method that's called append. Name dot append. That is the another method. We can go ahead and append at gmail.com as we normally use at gmail.com, some name at gmail.com, right? And now we can go ahead and print that. Just write standard followed by colon cout, then your email is, just type name. You can replace that name with the email, okay, or name of your email. Just Control S, hit run. Just go ahead, type your username, Rizvi Sir, hit run. There you are, Rizvi Sir at gmail.com. If you once you will use that append method, you can append data. one sentence to another sentence. And next method is add method. We can return a character at a given position within a string. There is another method that's called add method. You can go ahead and type name dot add. That is the method. Let's go ahead and use that add method. Type std followed by colon cout, then type your string, that is name dot add. Let's check at index of 0. What letter is that? Okay, the 0 position letter I want to know, right? What is the character at 0 position? Then just hit run and wait to compile your program and type. Let's type Rizvi. Okay, hit run. At the 0 position there is a R, right? You can check at the 4th position, type 4, hit run. There you are. Just go ahead, type Rizvi Sir. Okay, hit run. There you are. I as a 4 position. You can count it on 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. At 4 position there is a I, right? That's the add method. And also we can insert a character at a given position. Type our string, follow it with the insert. There will be 2 argument, and just go ahead and use that method that is called insert. Okay, the format would be the same. You have to just type name, that is the string, insert. That is our new method, and we are going to use that in a moment. Let's go ahead and check how we can insert a string, a character in a string, name, insert. Then we have to first write index, let's say 0, and the character which you want to insert, let's see, I want to insert @ sign, okay, and then semicolon. Then let's go ahead and type standard cout in order to print that name. Okay, let's control S, hit run. Let's type gmail.com. Okay, the name would be gmail.com. Hit run. See, at gmail.com. At the position of 0, we have inserted at as the output at gmail.com. Okay, so we have now the at sign inserted at the beginning of our string, or you could pick a different position. The index of 1 would be the second character technically. So yeah, pick a position, then you can insert a string. Now we can find a certain character. I would like to find if there is any space within my name dot find, then place a character. I will look for any white space. Okay, then there is a method to find. We have a method that's called find. Okay, let's go ahead and just find any space. I want to find a space, if any space in my given string. Okay, and just type name and find space. That is the our method name dot find. Okay, and now just control S, hit run. Let's type any name like Rizvi Sir, hit run. Now at the fifth position there is a space. Let's count that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. At fifth space there is a at fifth position there is a space. We can find the position, right, with the find state method, right? This method will give me the position of the first space type in your first name and last name. The index of the first white space within my name has an index of 5. The first character is always 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Then last would be erase. The last method is erase. There is a method which we can use to erase. The method we will write in the same way. We will write first the string name, that is name dot erase. That is our new method. Okay, how we can use that? As we have used to insert the data, we can also erase in that same way. We can type the method name dot erase, then position. Okay, to erase particular character, we have to type that string dot erase. We can erase a portion of a string. We will need a beginning index that is a 0 here and the ending index that is a 3 here. I'll eliminate the first 3 characters, then we will display our name. Okay, just let's go ahead, control S, hit run. Let's just go ahead, type anything like guys, GUIS, hello. Let's hit enter. See, S hello, because we have erased 0 position, 1, 2, 3. Okay, from 0 to 3 position, third position we have erased. Then fourth position is left as hello, right? Okay, that's what left of my name. I deleted the first 3 characters. The first number is the beginning index, the second is the ending index. It's not inclusive. So yeah, those are a few helpful string methods. If you would like to know more, head to the string class on the c++.com website, and there is a fairly extensive list. Let me just show you that. This is the website where you can get all of the data, all of the content. Okay, there is a reference, there is a tutorials, articles. Here is the library references. Okay, just visit and check. So yeah, that's the couple of useful method which you can use. Length, name.length, .empty, .clear, .append, .add, .insert, .find, .erase. These are the couple of methods, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please smash the like button and hit the subscribe button. Thank you.